Hello Internet. In today's video, I want to show you how I reconditioned this rear axle. And by reconditioned, I mean removed all the rust and painted it. And hopefully in such a way that I don't have to deal with rust again. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. We'll get started.
Before I start grinding on this thing, I gotta get it outside. I can't come up with another way to do this, so I'm gonna do it the hard way and walk it out. The rust on this rear axle really didn't look that bad, but once you look a little closer you can see it's heavily scaled and quite pitted, so I think the best way to tackle this is with a needle scaler. So I'm going to do that first. The needle scaler does a really good job at knocking off the heavy rust, but there's still some light rust left behind. I'm going to try and get that off with a cup brush.
This is phosphoric acid. I'm going to brush this on the axle just to get rid of that surface rust.
I left the acid on there for about 20 minutes. I mean, this thing looks great. I'm not seeing any rust, so it's time to wash it off. Once it's rinsed, you gotta dry this thing off fast. Acid does leave a little bit of a phosphoric coating, which helps, but this thing rusts and it rusts fast. So what I'm doing here, I'm using a rag to wipe it all down, and then I'm going to blow it off with some compressed air. Finally, we can get this thing painted. So I'm using some SEM self-etch primer here. I'm going to apply it in a couple of good thick coats.
So that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick idea of how I'm restoring these components before I put them back on the pickup. So on this project, this needle scaler made a world of difference. I got this one on Amazon. It was like 50 bucks, and then I wrapped it in tape and foam to try and keep the vibrations down, and that really helped. So if you're doing something like this with a really heavy scaly rust, or if you've got areas you can't get into, I highly recommend one of these. So I hope you found something useful here. I mean, this process is pretty much the same for all the suspension components that I removed from the truck. So keep an eye out. Once I get the truck put together and everything's back under there, I will paint the whole back section of the truck with 2K chassis black. So if you're interested in that, there will be a video on it, I'm sure, so keep an eye out. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you. Thanks for watching.